Okay, so belly breathing, if you can, lie on your back and then place your hands on your belly or something with a little bit of weight so you can feel the belly coming in and going out. So if you can, we're breathing in and out through your nose. So exhale fully, drawing the belly back toward the spine. And then inhale completely, allowing the belly to expand nice and wide, big like a hot air balloon. And as you exhale, that balloon begins to deflate. So the belly button comes back toward the spine. Inhaling, stomach expands wide like a big balloon. Exhaling, releasing and letting go. Going at a pace that suits you. Inhaling, expanding, belly nice and big, balloon inflating. And exhaling, letting go. Inhaling, belly expanding wide. And exhaling, releasing and letting go. And allowing the breath to return to its usual pace in this belly breathing exercise.